Okay. I think this part was somewhere from here. I guess I cut it to make it a bit shorter too. I don't want it to be don't want it to be too long, so I'm going to make a knife out of that. Cut this part here. That's it. And I don't even know I cut myself. Will prefer it to be like this. Yeah, I think that's nice, I guess. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, that's exactly how I want it to be. Alright. And then make a putty out of it. Right, let's start putting it in. So I'm going to just put as much as I can into this one. This thing hardened, it should be alright. Yeah, it's like this. Push it right in. Ooh, that's really tight, which is good actually, which is good. Yeah. Make sure it's all straight up. Yep, that's right. And the outer part of it. Yeah, that should be alright. Now is a very important step where I'm going to tie up a string. It will take some time to dry up this one, don't worry. So I leave it here for a while. Okay, just make sure that as you go, just tighten it. Make a look like tying a shoe. Yeah, like tying a shoe. A pull so that it's tight. Okay, and then again the top, and just continue. Okay, that's it. I'll just cut it and. Alright, it's quite nice. Yeah. Okay, that's it. It will just absorb everything in. Look at that. See? I'm going to put some here so they can go in. Yep. Short blade, long handle knife. Very short blade, long handle. It's bamboo. Yeah, it's perfect holder for this knife. We use this to make blowpipe darts to sharpen it up. See? Okay, let's test it out.